Welcome to the channel. Today we're doing another Pokemon opening. We're going to be opening X and Y Evolution. Sort of a vintage set, but it's not too vintage. But we're looking for, of course, Charizard as always, to get that foil goodness Charizard. So let's get going. Oh, these are easier. And we have green code. So it's 4, isn't it?
I have no idea. Hold on, there.
Is it energy?
No, I think that's the rare rank.
What about now?
You get to go, Pim. That's you.
Good.
No, I meant no energy.
It's not an energy?
No, energy. I meant that.
Oh, it's an energy style?
No.
That's a bit lackluster, I know. So here we go. Blastoise, Spirit Link,
You may get a foil.
Pidgeot, Spirit Link,
Link.
Poliwhirl, Weedle, Electabuzz. This is the reprint set of the original base set, so you get all the original artworks. There's an energy.
I don't know.
Got a reverse foil Tangela and a rare Farfetch'd.
I have no idea then, but watch again.
Pack number 2.
Give me that.
We'll try 5 this time. We'll try 5 cards deep.
It was in the rare be in the middle.
We've got a green code.
Yeah.
Another trash pack, so 4.
Right, yeah, go
Is
ahead.
it an energy?
No.
Is it an energy?
No.
See?
Is it an energy?
No, see, energy's winning.
Is it an energy?
This open packet.
Right. Tangela. Vulpix. Red foil. Spirit Link. Or
They were in the
Charizard.
middle.
Spirit Link.
They were
Put the rare in the middle by accident. We're trying to find the energy. Coughing. Misty's Determination.
Yeah.
Revive. Onyx. Weedle. And Machamp. Okay, you don't get an energy in every pack, right? But no, now.
What was the rare?
Oh, what was the rare? That is a good question. Doesn't matter now. Doesn't matter at all. It's the last pack. Hopefully, you get something good in this one. Are we going to be a white code?
Yeah.
Oh, it's a white code. It's a good sign. And we're not going to bother with the card trick because
Alright.
obviously it doesn't work for this set. So we've got a Ghastly, recently on Community Day. We have a Caterpie. We have a Drowsy. We have a Magikarp. We have a Electabuzz. We have a Magnemite. And we have a Slowbro EX. It's not too bad. So, the shiny goodness of that. Poliwhirl, Full Heal, and a Porygon. So not too bad. We got an EX at least, so I'm not too sure how much it's worth, but